Welcome to Language Hut. In this video deals with 6th standard prose trip to Ooty. This is the prose, but this is in form of letter. So here we'll see the section 1. Let's get started. The letter was written by Merlin to Malli, and in this letter they share their experience about trip to Ooty. Let's start. Coimbatore 2011-2017. So Merlin was lived in Coimbatore. So the letter was written on 20th 11 2017. Dear Malli, thanks for your letter and it was great to hear from you. Now Merlin thanked Malli for her letter and she felt great to receive the letter from Malli. You asked me to tell you about my trip to Ooty with my friends. So Malli asked her about her trip to Ooty with her friends. I had the most wonderful time. 20 girls and boys from class 6 went on the trip. Our class teacher Geeta ma'am and 2 others took us. So that was a very wonderful day when they traveled in that hill station, and 20 girls and boys from 6th standard went to the trip, and with them the class teacher and other 2 teachers accompany with the students. My grandmother has told me about the beautiful journey to Ooty by the toy train many times. So her grandmother many times she told the beautiful journey of the toy train. She said that it was a spectacular trip up and down the slopes with birds and trees dancing along. So she explained how the trip was, the up and down and birds dancing along with the slopes. Ooty is so close to Coimbatore, but I have never been there nor seen the train. So Merlin lives in Coimbatore, it close to the Ooty, but she never seen the train or travel in the train. So I was really thrilled when the school arranged this trip. So she was really happy and thrilled when the school was arranged the trip to Ooty. You can imagine how excited I was when I stepped into the toy train with my friends. So this is the first time she is traveling in the toy train with her friends. So we can feel her excitement through her words. I looked around at the wooden chairs with cushioned seats and oil painted walls as I put my bag on the mesh of the luggage rack. So he entering to the train and he kept her bag on the luggage rack. And she looking around, it's full of wooden chairs with the cushion seat and the walls are painted with the oil painted. I was bubbling over with excitement. So she is very happy that she expressed in the word bubbling over with excitement. He is really happy in that trip. Hi Fatima, isn't this fun? I called out as my friend came into the compartment. Come, sit here. I have kept a seat for you. You can keep your bag next to mine. So now her friend Fatima is entering to her compartment. So she called her to sit behind her, and they are conversing about this trip. What have you bought to eat? Parota and delicious chutney. Did you see the train? It's so beautiful, Fatima replied. So she is asking how was the train, and Fatima replied that was very beautiful train and also the trip also very beautiful and excited. Our teacher Geeta madam came around to see if everyone has seated properly. Yes, This is all teachers have to do, whether the student are seated or not. They check just the students seated or not. The train is about to leave, so take your seats everyone. So what the teacher is saying, so now train is going to move, so all everyone have to sit in your place, she said. Just then the train started with a jerk. So when the train move, before that it gets a jerk, so it start with a jerk. It moved very slowly, leaving the station with a long hood. So now the train is ready to move. Everyone clapped. The train went snaking up the steep hillside, waving its way through forest of tall trees, swaying in the breeze. So each and every students are eager to travel in the train. So the train going like a snake. It's like a snake, steeping hillside, waving its way through the forest of tall trees. It's full of the Ooty is full of hill stations. It is also known as Queen of Hill. So the train is entering inside the hillsides. So in that hillsides we can see the tall trees and lot of trees, and nice breeze from the trees. We can get the nice breeze from the trees. One of the boys, Muthu, said, "It is going so slowly. I can walk along its side." So, in all the classes, we can see one or two mischievous boys. So here, like Muttu is the one of the mischievous boy. He said that the train is going slowly. Like that, also he is walking along its side. He got up to go to the door. From the other end of the teacher saw him and said in a firm voice, "Muttu, go back to your seat at once." The girls shrinned and Muthu sat down with a long face. So, in the other side, he saw the teacher sitting in the seat. So, she scolded him to go back his seat, and all the girls are laughing, and Muthu sat down with his long face. So here section 1 deals with part of the letter on a trip to the Ooty. So in the section 2 we'll see the remaining letter. So thanks for watching. Thank you.